Good afternoon, traders, and welcome back to a new video on the GRT trading channel. Forget how shiny I look right now. We've currently got a massive heat wave in the UK and it's been absolutely mental. So I hope you're all good from where you are and it's not too hot where you are. Yeah, we reached up to about 39 degrees. So yeah, all perfect with no aircon and everything like that. The UK is definitely not built for this weather at all. And yeah, I'm still, sweating a little bit, but we've got to grind, guys. We've got to grind. Today I'm reviewing FXReplay. This is a sponsored video by FXReplay, but yeah, I definitely like what they're doing, and yeah, it's just to elevate your sort of backtesting. So if you're just used to backtesting onto your usual trade and view, this is just another step up from that essentially, right? So you've got a lot to offer from FXReplay, which I will show you in a second. I've been going through a load of their bits, doing some backtesting myself, and I'm very, very, very impressed. Yeah, you've got some very good features with FXReplay that I'm impressed with. And yeah, I'll just jump onto the computer screen now and let's just show you through the key individual parts of FXReplay and why it makes it so good. Okay, so you join me on the homepage of FXReplay. A very clean looking and slick website, as you can see here, all very, very good. What we like, we've got your normal backtesting. So if you want to just go through it, it's great, right? So it journals everything. You don't have to journal yourself. Usually how I used to backtest back in 2020, 2021, 2022, all that, just grinding away with the backtesting. You know, you have to have a separate journal on the side, putting in your trades into that, then having an Excel sheet, just dragging it all across. Yeah, it was a bit clunky. It did what it needed to, but with FXReplay, guys, you've got everything at a click of a button. You trade, you backtest like normal, and then it charts it all for you. It screenshots for you, then you go into your backtesting, then you can see all of your analytics of your backtesting journal, right? So you can then go, I don't know, you can open up a new backtesting session, just call it test one, or the pair that you're using, you know, pound dollar. You can then go into euro dollar, all different strategies, right? And then you can look through which is performing the best, which is, you know, time frames, which, you know, Asia sessions, London sessions, New York sessions, which one actually suit your trading plan and which one actually suits that pair as well. So it's definitely interesting to look into. But yeah, let's have a little deep dive into what FXReplay do and what they actually, what their key benefits actually are. Right, as I mentioned, the FX Journal, you've got tracking every move, the insights and tools that help you increase win rate, boost returns, and trade your strategy with clarity before it ever goes live, right? You get all of the analytics before you go live. What I definitely really enjoy here as well is this prop firm simulator, right? So you may have a pretty good, trading plan, but it lacks one thing and you potentially can't pass prop firms. Well, yeah, you can essentially backtest like you're trading a prop firm challenge. So you can put all the rules in and yeah, take trades like you're normally backtesting, and it will tell you if you're either going to pass it or if you invalidate the rules, right? So that's definitely a big help because, some sort of prop firms have these hidden rules where they go, oh yeah, you can't, 1% max risk. You also have, the drawdown issues, everything like that. So then you can really get into this and go on the prop firm simulator and go in yourself and see if it's suitable for the prop firm challenges, which I really, really like. You got an AI mentor, which is pretty cool. You can ask anything to this mentor, analyze, like it says here, my recent trades, show me my performance stats. You can ask this guy absolutely anything, right? I reference it back to a guy. It's AI, I know, but it's very, very handy having that at your fingertips. If you are into your custom indicators, FXReplay code and language designed to build custom indicators. It empowers users to turn their trading ideas into indicators directly with FXReplay. So that is very, very, very handy. Key features with FXReplay. What we got here: replay mode, relive and analyze the past with replay mode, jump to any date and experience price action as it unfolded to refine your strategy. Very good. Multi-part and multi-chart. Chart empowered by Trade and View. Lets you track economic events, monitored live prices, and more. Go-to feature. Innovated by FXReplay. The go-to feature saves time by jumping to favorite sessions, price levels, news, events, or trade closes. Very, very cool. You've got economic calendar here, which is brilliant as well. So you can then trade and go, there's NFP coming up, anything like that. You don't have to monitor it yourself. You can just see where it is. The performance analytics: experience the future of backtesting with FXReplay, powerful analytics to refine strategies and boost performance. Right, that is very, very cool. We'll take a little look into that very shortly. Visualize your trading with our P&L tracker and dynamic graph that displays your profit and loss over time, which is all fantastic. Time-based analytics: trade more at the times you win, trade less at the times you lose. Time-based analytics will help you level up your trading. Absolutely fantastic. You've got your on-chart trade review, so you can view your past trades directly on the chart to review decisions. So that's very, very handy indeed. Monte Carlo simulation: learn about where your strategy can take you in 100, 200, 300 trades if you stick to your rules. I really like that. Really, really like that. Right. So you could have something performing really well in, say 50 trades. You can put that across 100, 200, 300 trades, whatever you like, just to see if you can solidify that sort of trading plan. And you've also got the seconds time frame, which is very cool. Yeah, you've got some different indicators here. So, you can go through these yourself, up to you. I know everyone uses different kind of indicators. You've got all the assets that you need: Forex, futures, stocks, energy, crypto, indexes. I just mainly trade stocks, simple and easy, but it's got everything on here if you need it and if you are interested. Right, so once you are logged in onto FXReplay, you'll be welcomed to this beautiful sort of homepage here, which you've got your dashboard, your sessions, your trades, your analytics, all up here. So yeah, it's really fantastic. All this is so simple to go to. You've got beta in the live currently here, so you can look at what your trades have been, everything like this. Analytics, trading accounts, you can link them to, so all good. Go into your strategies, you can create your own strategies, so then you can then go back through all them. Main thing as well for me, you've got checklists. So say you're working with a Fibonacci tool, put down your Fibonacci. If you're looking for a 50% retracement, does it breach that? Tick. Yeah, it does. End of the trade. If it's simple stuff like that, put whatever you need to for you to be able to take that trade, just to take it with extra conclusion. Another one here, guys, we have got battles, right? So you can battle other traders to see how you can perform with your strategies live at the time they are also trading. It is really, really awesome, right? You got ranked here and you got tournaments. It's fantastic. I love the idea of this. Let's say here in progress here. Let's see if we can just jump in. Yeah, as you can see here, guys, you can just see, Sam GH up 3.03%. None of the other traders have taken anything currently. But yeah, the battles are really fun. Really, really fun. You've got your little AI tool down here, so you can ask your mentor anything, and he'll come back to you with a very good answer very quickly. But yeah, the battles is definitely something I'm going to be looking to in the second video of this, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm going to be doing an extra back testing on my own strategy, and then jump into a battles as well. What we're going to look at here, right, is let's just jump in, just show you how the backtesting sessions do work with FXReplay. And yeah, what you just do, you go into the dashboard, click on the backtesting sessions. Let's just name this FX GRT trading backtesting number 1. Right, let's start with an account balance of 100,000. Let's jump into simple euro dollar. As you can see, there's 3 here, so you can use whatever ones you like. I'll be using Oanda, not an issue at all. And let's just put in here initial date. Let's do the 1st of June this year, and let's do that for 1 month. Right, so let's just have a little look here. Create the session. As you can see, connecting to the server. Very, very quick indeed, guys. There we are, straight into our backtesting session here. And yeah, so I've changed all my layout to suit me. If you're using TradingView, you can copy that, not an issue at all. All straight into the FXReplay. And yeah, let's just have a little run through here. Let's take some trades. So what I'm going to do for this time, just to show you how this works, let's just run this through hourly. And yeah, let's take a trade where we think it's going to go. Right, so let's just play that. Oh, sorry. Just ran back time a little bit there. Let's just run this forward quite a bit and see what we can do. Right, let's just go back to here. Let's put on our trade tool here and just end off here, and then put the stops here to then run down to, let's say, to here. As we know, you know, that does happen. Then if you click on the place order, as you can see here, we'll have a little pop-up here. So this is really handy. You'll always have these little pop-ups here. How to place an order, all fantastic. All shows you here what to do, even little anagrams. So what we need to do, so all you do, set out your little risk to reward tool wherever you want it, click into it, place order. That works out everything for you here. So it's a sell, 1% risk, so you can 2, 3, whatever you need. And just change that here if you need to change your percent risk. 1% on this, let's just do that. Stop loss with a take profit. You can add partials, auto break even, all that good stuff. You can also create presets if you really want to. You know, I don't, because my backtesting is completely different and I don't have any presets. So a lot of people, you know, trade with, you know, a 15 pip stop. So say you always trade with a 15 pip stop on a certain strategy, you can put this in here and then just save as a preset. So it's a lot easier in the future. Now, let's just save and journal this one. Then it will pop up this little feature here. June 2nd, and then what you do, click add screenshot. That takes a screenshot of this trade right here. And then you can select your checklist. So say if you've got a checklist there, boom, yeah, this ticks this box, ticks this box, ticks this box. You got your confidence levels and you got your trade rating, right? So all good. Let's just put that as there. Put down some notes here. I took this trade on the euro dollar short. I decided to short from here as I see a retracement which gave me a good entry. There we go. Simple, guys. Press save. That will add that to your journal here. And let's just put that to the side for a second. And of course, we know how this already plays out. So yeah, there we go. Right. Simple enough stuff. Let's just put a couple of trades in here. Let's also put in a loss just so I can show that on the analytics as well. Right, so you might want to long from here, right? Depends on how you trade them. Let's just say here, long from here. Same again, set up your tool, click the tool, place order, and then you can go through all this. Everything's fine. Save journal. Again, pull this into it, add the screenshot, put in whatever notes, confidence level, checklist, everything. Click that save button, and that will add that to here. As you can see, it's already added our trade in for the win. So let's just jump in, and we know how this plays. So let's just run this through. And boom. Yep. Taking the loss, not an issue at all. Let's run that down. And let's have a look at the journal. Right, as you can see, let's just click into this journal here on the Tuesday on the 2nd of June. As you can see here, we've got the 1% loss here, and we've got the win here. So all very quick stuff. As you can see, you can deep dive into it a little quicker. Click on the screenshot. As you can see, that is the loss here and the entry. You can do this for the win also, and that is absolutely beautiful, guys. As you can obviously see, you know, as you go through backtesting, you know, it's so much better for me because, you know, I'm an Excel guy, so I have to put everything into, you know, it takes so much time, right? You take a trade, I screenshot it, I have to put the percentage in myself of what it won, the pip size, the stop loss size, sorry, the take profit size, what the win was, everything. You know, it takes so much time, and this does it all for you. So it's fantastic. All very good. Let's return to the dashboard. And as you can see, 2 trades taken already in. Analytics wise, let's have a little look into the analytics, guys. Yeah, as you can see in the sessions, guys, look, total P&L $927.27. Win rate 50%. Risk to reward 1.93. Monthly gain loss 927. Of course, we only took them 2 trades. Week gain and a daily gain / loss. The trades are all here. Return on investment is here. The symbol is here. The date and the name of your backtesting. As you can see, daily performance is all here. You can change all the description if you need be. But yeah, as you can see, FXReplay is definitely one that boosts your confidence in the backtesting space, guys. It is fantastic, and I definitely use this, and I 100% will continue to use this because it is such a very good way to escalate your trading, right? So there's nothing better than backtesting and getting the proven data for your trading plan to then make it go live, right? That's the most important thing for me. I need that structure to then have the confidence to then go, yeah, I can take this live. I can make money off this, right? It's absolutely fantastic. As you can see here, guys, as well, I've just clicked onto the education. You've got the interactive walkthroughs, right? So clicking on any of these, it shows you how to set up the sessions, placing a trade, using analytics, prop firm simulator, how to set up everything is all here, guys. So it's all fantastic. You got the featured videos, right-click trading, everything like that. Replay and rewind mode, the shortcuts and tooltips. RR simulator, beautiful. Drag to place SL and TP, scalper mode and drawdown analytics. As you can see, all the journal support is all here also. You got your trading strategies all here as well, all in videos, all good. You got the profit playbook, which you can explore deep conversations and dive into trading strategies and insights shared by the users of FXReplay, which is absolutely fantastic, guys. Now, yeah, I will be uploading a second video with FXReplay. Make sure you stay tuned for that one because I will be backtesting myself and how I backtest my own strategy. So I'll be deep diving into my strategy and how I can trade that, and you can find out if it's profitable or if it's not profitable. So make sure you stay tuned for that, guys. As I said earlier, this video is sponsored by FXReplay. FXReplay are currently holding a 40% off up until this Sunday, yet this Sunday, the 12th of July. Make sure you get in. Anything after that, I can give you 30% off. So make sure you get in for the 40% off right before that cuts off, guys. So make sure you grab a fantastic deal and hop on the FXReplay website in the link below and use George Siller for the coupon code. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. See you later.